So you worked entire India.
Actually, I'm a pass out from IIT Delhi 2008. First, I started my career with Kota as a trainee over there.
You have worked around all top-notch institutes like Sarat Chandra. So what makes Sarat Chandra is different from other institutions?
So here you will find a smart board, interactive, big quality smart boards, which are good for explaining concepts, especially 3D concepts in chemistry. And the other things is the environment that students will get over here. And he's getting so many good faculties from all over India.
Life of IITian as a student.
Course that gives a good lot of exposure, not only academically. There are a lot of events going on in IIT Delhi.
Why you came teaching?
Why you are degrading teaching? Teaching is also a very good field.
But you will not get enough money, right?
No, you cannot say like that.
సో గైస్ ఈరోజు మన ముందుకి వరుణ్ అరోరా సార్ ఉన్నారు ఫ్రమ్ ఐఐటి ఢిల్లీ. ఐఐటి ఢిల్లీలో మన బీటెక్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత ఇండియాలో టాప్ నాచ్ యు నేమ్ ఇట్ ఎనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, టాప్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, సో అక్కడ టాప్ ఫ్యాకల్టీగా వర్క్ చేసి చాలా మంది ఐఐటి ర్యాంక్స్ అంటే జేఈలో మంచి ర్యాంక్స్ వచ్చి ఐఐటిలో సీట్ రావడానికి సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. మన ముందు ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు. సో నమస్తే సార్.
Namaste.
సో యూ వర్క్డ్ ఎంటైర్ ఇండియా.
Yeah.
So why sir, why after IIT Delhi you completed education, so why you came for teaching?
Actually, I'm a pass out from IIT Delhi 2008. My first campus placement was into Ranbaxy, that was a pharmaceutical company. I have done chemical engineering, so I was working in pharmaceutical as a production engineer, and I used to work in plants. Then I shifted my job, my career from there to teaching. So I came later, after 2-3 years, I came into teaching after graduating from IIT Delhi.
Okay.
So then I came into teaching. First, I started my career with Kota as a trainee over there. Then I have worked in Mumbai also. Then I worked in Narayana, Bangalore. I worked in IIT JEE, Delhi, and produced many ranks. So right now I'm in Vijaywada.
Okay, you are in Vijayawada with Sarat Chandra.
Yeah.
Okay, so in your journey, how many students got ranks, sir?
Many students got rank, but I remember 2 students who got rank in top 100.
Okay.
So in fact, many students got rank. I have some connections with old students also, from Mumbai also, from Bangalore also.
Okay.
They are still connected with me.
So you have worked around all top-notch institutes like Sarat Chandra. So what makes Sarat Chandra is different from other institutions, entire India?
Yeah.
If you compare.
Like if you compare, like before lockdown, you generally teachers used to teach with that whiteboard or maybe that blackboard with the chalk. So after lockdown, you must have seen smart boards evolving. Before lockdown, that was not known. So here you will find a smart board, interactive, big quality smart boards, which are good for explaining concepts, especially 3D concepts in chemistry. You can prepare PPT, and that will make the class more interesting. And the other things is the environment that students will get over here. So they will get the better environment, competitive environment. Like if you compare this with any Delhi, like I worked in IIT JEE over there. So in Delhi, what is the environment? In morning, students will go to school. After school, they will go to the coaching. So they do not get that much time for practice and all that. But over here, you will get more time for practice. From morning to evening, student is studying in the same hostel in which the classroom is also there. And he is getting so many good faculties from all over India. So that is a good exposure that he will get, which other students will not get if they are preparing for IIT.
Okay. So chemistry is tough. Why chemistry is tough?
Yeah, there are rumors that chemistry is tough because students, I feel, they do not spend that much time in chemistry as they spend in physics or maths. I personally feel, I have studied all the 3 subjects. The physics and maths are tougher. Physics require more integration. Maths question as such integrations are tougher, as you can see in the previous question. Chemistry is not tough as from the competitive point of view. You get some direct questions also from NCERT. It is that students don't get into the details of the chemistry. So if taught and understood in a good manner, chemistry is easy, and apart from easy, it is more scoring. then physics and maths. So if you're scoring good in chemistry, definitely your rank will be good. So if you see the last past ranks, top 100 ranks, you will not find much difference in marks of physics. Top 100 ranks, their physics and maths marks are almost same. The difference lies in their marks of chemistry, which is deciding their rank.
Okay. So, a life of IITian as a student, how it will be? I mean,
I'm pass out from IIT Delhi. Of course, that gives a good lot of exposure, not only academically. There are a lot of events going on in IIT Delhi. The campus itself is very nice. Then there are lot of cultural events like festivals. Apart from that, there are technical events related to your branch and all that. So IIT Delhi is a very happening place. Lot of events keep on happening. So that gives you a lot of exposure. It is in the mid of the city, not outside the city. So outside the campus also you get a lot of exposure. So I am basically from Delhi, so that was very helpful to me.
Okay.
Apart from academics, you get a lot of exposure about your college life and all that you can enjoy.
okay. So, nowadays, I mean, most of the IIT alumni are working in different fields. Why you came teaching?
So why you are degrading teaching? Teaching is also a very good field.
But you will not get enough money, right? Compared to other fields. Most of the IITians.
No, you cannot say like that. Teaching also faculties are having good packages. It is not like that. Like if you stay in very specialization, like if you go for any masters or something and you get specialized in something, you are paid more. Like if I have been into pharmaceuticals, I have done some specialization in pharmaceutical, then my package would have been more.
Okay. But you came for teaching.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I had no plans to go for further studies, so I came to teaching.
Okay. Generally, in chemistry, you told this is a very scoring subject. What are the methods you're following to teach the student?
Chemistry, basically chemistry you can divide into physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. So physical chemistry is more concept based, more formula based, and that is the most scoring. Apart from that, inorganic, if you can remember the reactions well before the exam very quickly, and it is very scoring. Inorganic, there are concepts also related to some chapters which will clear your concepts related to inorganic, like chemical bonding. And organic is also mechanism based, concept based, but if you can remember the reagents and reactions, then it becomes more scoring. Okay. So by remembering the formulas, by understanding the mechanism, chemistry actually becomes more scoring. So if you are understanding the derivation of formula, that will in some way help you in exam to get better score than others. Then if you are understanding the mechanism of reaction, that will also help you in getting better score than others.
Okay. So importance of chemistry practicals.
Chemistry practicals are, I feel, that are generally neglected. Like when we teach in the class, students are not clear about the concept because they have not seen practically how is the titration taking place, what will be the color change. So at that, I feel over here, the Charchandra has maintained the chemistry labs, and students can actually go for practicals. They went for practicals every month. They go for practicals. That is important because whatever they are studying, whatever reactions, whatever things they are learning, they should be able to see practically. That will help them in remembering better, and understanding also will be better. So practicals are very important from both point of view also. So total marks for chemistry and physics are 100, out of which you will get 30 marks for practicals. So chemistry 70 marks is theory for the IP exam, and 30 marks are for practicals. So practicals are important for the board exams also.
Okay. As you worked across India and you work with many organizations and you produce so many IIT ranks. So what is the important aspects to crack or to get good seat in JEE?
So first of all, to get a good rank, so most of the people want top 7 IITs. There are a lot of IITs. There are more than 15,000 seats. Most of the people dream for top 7 IITs. So to get a good seat in good IIT, first thing is your rank should be below 3,000. Then you will get a good seat, a branch of your choice. So aim for below 3,000 rank, and for that you have to be good in physics. So physics cannot be developed in 1 or 2 days. It is a work of 2 years. Similarly, mathematics cannot be developed in 1 or 2 days. Chemistry also is very vast. If you divide this into physical also a lot of practice you need. Then organic, so many reactions you have to remember. So chemistry is also vast. That will require 2 years. But at the end time, like for the last 2-3 months are left for the exam, then you can focus more on the inorganic part of the chemistry which requires remembering some reactions. Then you can remember the organic reactions mechanism also. So if you revise chemistry at the end, that will help you in improving the score. So all the subjects actually require at least 2 years. 2 years of efforts are required. Some students even drop after first attempt so that they can give better. So every student will have a grasping speed. Some students are able to grasp better. So it is not about grasping, it is not about learning, it is about application of whatever knowledge you have. If you know the formula but if you're not able to apply that in the exam, so there is no point. If you know the formula and you are able to use that correctly in that question, you will get a good rank and a good score.
Okay. So importance of test series in this journey.
Yeah, that's what I
How you people are in
So knowing the
implementing here.
formula is different thing, then applying that in the question is different thing. So test series plays an important role. They integrate whatever is taught in the class and how is the exam environment, so that the students are not feared of the exam and they are able to use their knowledge in the exam correctly with patience. So test series play an important role in giving them the exam environment and exposure to different types of questions that can be asked even on the same formula. So test series is very important and we are taking weekly test, mains level also, advanced level also. Then at the end we are taking the regular test when the exam is coming. So test series also we are dividing into chapter wise, then on the complete syllabus test series also we are taking.
What is your experience in teaching in Sarat Chandra?
Yes, I told you like over here the teachers are teaching with smartboard. That is one of the very plus point. So offline teaching with smartboard, very less institutes follow. And apart from that, students are getting that environment. They are living in the hostel. They can discuss the questions among themselves with the faculties. Also, faculties are very friendly, so they can clear their doubts. And the whole day they are spending studying and clearing their doubts. The special study hours are there. So that is a very good exposure for students also. And apart from that, I feel it's a very good place to work. And overall, the weather of Vijayawada is good apart from summers, which are very hot.
సో గైస్ చూసారు కదా, శరత్ చంద్ర ఐఐటి జేఈ మెడికల్ అకాడమీ విజయవాడ బ్రాంచ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఉన్నారు. టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్ చూసుకున్నా, నాన్ టీచింగ్ స్టాఫ్ చూసుకున్నా, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు క్రాస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ద అకాడమీ మన తెలుగు స్టేట్స్లో, తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఐఐటి అని స్టార్ట్ చేశాను అంటే ఆల్రెడీ క్రాక్ చేసి, జేఈ క్రాక్ చేసి ఐఐటి నుంచి టాప్ 10, మళ్ళీ అది కూడా ఐఐటి మెడ్రాస్ నుంచి 10 years నుంచి టాప్ 1గా ఉంది. అది అలాంటి ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ నుంచి వచ్చి స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ఏకైక వ్యక్తి శరత్ చంద్ర సారు. వాళ్ళ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్లో అందరూ కూడా ఐఐటి ఢిల్లీ టాప్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, ఐఐటి మెడ్రాస్ నుంచి, తర్వాత టాప్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ నుంచి వర్క్ చేసిన వాళ్ళందరినీ అండ్ నార్త్ ఇండియా, సౌత్ ఇండియా కలగలిపి చాలా ఒక మంచి టీం తయారు చేశాడు. డెఫినెట్లీ ఈ సంవత్సరం మనం ఇంకా ర్యాంక్స్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, జేఈ ర్యాంక్స్ కానీ, నీట్ ర్యాంక్స్ కానీ. ఎనీవే మీరు కూడా ఒకసారి క్రాస్ వెరిఫై చేయండి, మీ లిస్ట్లో యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. చాలా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ తిరుగుతున్నారు కదా, కంపేర్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నమస్తే సార్.
Namaste.